Personality makes us who we are. It influences nearly every aspect of our lives, including what we choose to do for a living, how we interact with our families, and our choices of friends and romantic partners. Psychologists have learned a great deal about the things that influence personality as well as how personality influences our behaviors. Number 1. Birth order can influence your personality. You've probably heard of this concept before. Firstborn children are often described as bossy or responsible, while the lastborn children are sometimes described as irresponsible and impulsive. But how true are these common stereotypes? For decades, pop psychology books touted the effects of birth order on personality, but hard evidence on the phenomenon remained elusive until quite recently. A few empirical studies have found that such things such as birth order and family size may indeed have an impact on personality. One study even found that birth order can influence your choice of friends and romantic partners. Firstborns tend to associate with other firstborns, middleborns with other middleborns, and lastborns with lastborns. Number 2. Your eating habits may reveal how you approach life. Specifically, slow eaters generally like to be in control and know how to appreciate life. Fast eaters tend to be ambitious, goal-oriented, open to new experiences, and often impatient. Adventurous eaters probably like to step out of their comfort zones, while picky eaters are likely neurotic in different areas of their lives. Finally, those who separate different foods on their plate are inclined to be detail-oriented and disciplined. Number 3. Your language style may reveal your romantic feelings. The way we use our words can provide clues to our gender, age, mental health status, and whether we are romantically interested in our conversation partner. For example, researchers listened to recordings of speed dates between men and women and found that when couples use similar language style, specifically when they used similar function words, they were more likely to go on a date. As per the reports, that's not because the couples were more similar to begin with. The researchers observed this phenomenon even when among people who were very different. Instead, it's probably because we shift our language when we are interested in someone. Number 4. People get nicer as they get older. People get nicer as they get older, in contrast to the stereotype of the grumpy senior. The finding may be a surprise to those that believe people never change. They do, even if only a little. The 3 main changes to personality that occur on average with age are that people get more consciousness, more agreeable, and less neurotic, moody. Number 5. Your pet may reveal information about your personality. Would you consider yourself more of a dog person or a cat person? According to one study, your answer to this question might actually reveal important information about your personality. In a study, researchers asked participants whether they considered themselves to be more dog people or cat people. These individuals also completed a personality survey that measured a number of broad traits including consciousness, openness, neuroticism, and agreeableness. The researchers discovered that people who identify themselves as dog people tended to be more extroverted and eager to please others, while those who describe themselves as cat person tended to be more introverted and curious.
If you like the video, do subscribe to get contents like these, and also it would make me happy.